Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will show you how you can go ahead and turn off activity status on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and start our video. For that purpose, we'll simply go ahead and open our Instagram here in our mobile phone. Once your Instagram app is open, what you will do is simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon below right corner, tap on its three horizontal line above, and simply go ahead, tap on the settings option. This will basically open a screen full of options, and what you will do is tap on this privacy option within them, and again go ahead scroll down till you find this activity status option below the guide. Here what you can do is you can see the show activity status, which will allow all the accounts that you follow, who follow you, to let them know that you are activated, like you are online with the green little dot. If you turn this off, you can simply totally turn your activity status. They will not know if you're online or not. If you turn on this, another option, show when you're active together, will open, and this will basically allow the one you're interacting with as well is online or not, and this will simply be turned on once you turn on this above option automatically. So yes guys, this is it for this activity status settings. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.